Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra Carolina. If you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing if you want to see more health, fitness, beauty, and lifestyle related content. I'm so excited that you're here. In today's video, we are going to be doing this makeup look, also talking about things like New Year's resolution, why I took a break from social media, and why I think you probably should take a break too. And also we talked about PR boxes and just a bunch of other stuff that I just wanted to sit down and do my makeup on here. So yeah, if you want to do your makeup with me, go ahead and let's keep on watching. Okay, but before you go, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, turn your post notifications on so you never miss any single upload. And it's 2021. I'm gonna bring the upload game strong this year. I promise you that. And make sure you like this video. Okay, honestly, did you know why your favorite content creators are always like, oh, make sure you like this video? The more likes it has, the more it'll push into the algorithm and show it to people as recommended to different people. The chances of my content getting across different people's recommendations is higher when you like the video. I didn't know that. I was looking into it last week when I was like, oh, YouTuber tips or whatever, because I'm always trying to be a better YouTuber. And it was reason why you need to tell your audience to like your videos. And I was like, oh, very interesting. So you know what? I'm gonna need y'all help. I'm gonna need y'all to like this video. Long story short. Oh yeah, let's get to the video. I'm gonna look a little rusty because I don't look this good in the next clip, but just bear with me. Let's do our foundation first. I want to get into talking about a lot of things. First off, let me tell you, It Cosmetics about a month ago sent me a huge PR list. I'm going to be using their foundation in Your Skin But Better. They sent me the PR list about a month ago. This is probably the first big, huge makeup company that has reached out. And I cried. I mean, what's new? I'm always crying. But I was just super emotional because that means that my content came across their platform, you know? And that's a huge accomplishment. I couldn't believe it that a huge company like that was able to see my work and like it and reach out. They sent me a lot of their things, and I've been trying a couple of things, but I think the one thing that's been standing out is this foundation. I have not used a different foundation ever since. It honestly feels really nice on my skin, and it's very buildable, so I could keep on putting more if I need to, but honestly one layer is really good because I do conceal a lot, so I don't really need that much foundation. Look at these breakouts. Oh my god. The cool part is that they're under my chin, so you can't really see them, but still they're so annoying. Yeah, so getting PR from big companies has been super surreal, and I don't think I'll really ever get used to it. I just literally live day by day so grateful that I am truly living the dream that I have been wanting, is to create and to connect and to continue to learn and grow in this process. But what's it called? What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something now. I know I say I'm grateful all the time for things like PR, for brand deals, and for the audience and everything that I'm grateful for. I generally don't want a day to go by and people not know if I'm grateful for all these things or not, you know? I want there not to be a question, Sandra is grateful and she is thankful for the audience and the platform that she has. And that may be a little corny for some, but I just genuinely don't want my character to be questioned, and I feel like a good way to avoid that is to thoroughly express what it is that I'm feeling and who it is that I am, you know? Thinking about PR, a lot of people have been asking me how I get PR, do I reach out to brands and stuff? I genuinely have never reached out to a single brand to give me PR or send me PR. I think the one thing that did help me was when I put my email in the bio of my Instagram, and companies were able to reach out to me a lot easier then. So I have the email button and I have the email on my Instagram page. So those two combined, I feel made it super easy for brands to just reach out whenever they want to. Although it's been going really good with me on social media, and you guys know that, and it's been really exciting. A break was so necessary. So honestly, the day after New Year's, I wasn't on Instagram for 3 days, and it was very nice to just unplug. Yeah, so those 3 days that I was not on Instagram, I was solely using them to reflect on who I want to be, my purpose, and really trying to connect with myself again. Even if you're not a content creator, even if you don't use social media to make your living income, taking a break is so nice. Even if you can't do a day, challenge yourself to only do 30 minutes a day. If you are ignoring the screen time notification, you have a problem. you have a problem. And I know you have a problem because I used to ignore it. No, my screen time was so bad. I think there was a time in the summer that I was at 5 hours on TikTok a day. Yeah, like I wasn't really beating myself up for not being productive or anything during that time. I was just more thinking like, wow, like I genuinely just don't want to spend this much time on Instagram, social media, TikTok, anything. I don't want to spend that much time on my phone anymore. And trying to balance that and trying to build a platform is a very difficult place to be in. But even if you aren't trying to build a platform, like even just creating that boundary within yourself like has been really, really helpful for me. So that's why I was like, oh, if I'm gonna do my makeup and sit down and talk, might as well talk about something that's really been benefiting me. And I know I'm about health, beauty, lifestyle, fitness, fashion, everything. And I think a big part of health is your phone health, your phone usage health, and that ties into your mental health. And I genuinely felt very light, very fresh, and very at peace after those 3 days. And they're just 3 days, and some of you are going to be like, well, I could last a week, I could last a month. Well, do a month, do a week. I couldn't. I genuinely couldn't. And I know that that's a problem, but admitting you have a problem is the first step. So if you can, do it, because it's so, so nice to just take a break and just reconnect back with yourself and see what you want to do. Like, there's so much more to live. Like, I know we're in quarantine. At least if you're in LA, I know you shouldn't be going out. I don't think anything is open. I don't know. I don't leave my house. I'm just trying to do like something really light so I could do my brown smoky liner and then call it a day. I didn't plan out any New Year's resolutions. Like I didn't manifest anything. Like I just let the year come. Like I just let 2021 to walk in, and I felt really guilty because I was like, wait, aren't I supposed to like have a goal to like lose 20 more pounds, like freaking move out? Like, wasn't I supposed to do that? But these are already things that I do want to do, but I didn't think I needed to like write them down in a huge way. And a lot of you know I've had this vision board, this one right here in the back of my wall, for so many years now that I need to update it. So that's one thing I do want to do. I want to update it because honestly it's way too old and it's really outdated. It's things that I don't even like anymore. I have a teardrop ring on that vision board, and ooh, I do not like teardrop rings, but I have tried one on and I did not like it at all. My perfect ring, my dream ring, is a cushion cut ring, and over here on the vision board was a freaking teardrop ring. Oh my god, it just made my hands look so chubby, which the jeweler explained that like cushion cut and square cut diamonds are just way better for like chubby fingers like me, which is like cute, you know? But I just think it's so funny because it's super outdated. The point of the vision board, it's super outdated. So I do want to like update my vision board because I think vision boards are really important. This is my favorite part of the look. I just do the brown eyeliner. I just use an angle brush, a brown eyeshadow, and I slowly just tap along the edges. I've been getting a lot of questions about my lip color that I've been wearing pretty much every single time I do my makeup. I don't know why, it just doesn't fail me. I feel like it is my combo. It is the Morphe lip liner in the shade Guide Me and the Morphe lip gloss in the shade Mars. It's the collaboration with Madison Beer. I think it's so pretty. So what do we think about this look? I love it. I think the brown little smoky wing liner is just the cutest. Okay, so we made it to the end of this video, and honestly I really do like how it came out. I ended up doing a little harsher inner corner liner because I just this is my first time doing that, and I think it looks really good with my eye shape. I don't know, what do you guys think? And yeah, so I'm excited. If you are wondering about my jewelry, this is from Brior Gems on Instagram. She was so cute. She sent me over a huge package filled with like a lot of her bestsellers. This is an R with a heart, which is so cute because I'm like, I love Ricky, and like this is so cute. Like how thoughtful is that? And then an evil eye necklace, which I think is so cute because it matches my new set, which is funny. I have a little funny story about my set. I love this set. I told her that I wanted this, but when I came home and I told my mom, I'm like, oh my god, look at my set, mom, isn't it so cute? She was like, yes, but it would have been cute if the tips weren't brown and they were white so it could match the blue in here. And I was like, that's where like her mind. But yeah, this is the end of the video, and honestly I'm really thankful that you stuck around. Make sure you are following on all my social, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.